Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Thinkally tutorial series. In this tutorial, which is tutorial 15, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to create examination terms. That is, how to create examination terms. You know that in school we have separate terms. We could have 1, 2, 3 terms. We have first term, second term, third term, and all of that. So for every examination there is a term. So I want to teach you in this tutorial how to create examination term. Follow me very quickly. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let me log out of this interface and log in into the demo school account that we have been using. Can you remind me? Okay, Galaxy and the password. Okay, so we want to learn how to create examination term. Remember that Thinkally is Nigeria's largest school management software, in that we have over 1 million students using this software spread across over 1,000 schools. Now I want to show you how to add examination terms. Do you know where we're heading to? We're heading towards examination, exams. So the link I want is hidden in that inside this sub menu. You see exam. Okay, I click on exam and I come here, I add exam. Already there are some exams, second term exam, mock exam. You could add more, yes. So I'm going to add an examination term. I want to add first term 2018 2019. That's it. First term 2018 2019. Date, just put in a good date. You could say today. Just pick the date. I could say today. Alright, note it is optional, it's not compulsory. So I click add exam, and after doing that, you see the exam you just added is included in the list of exams that we have here. So I could also create more exams. So that is how to create examination term. Very easy. Thinkally allows you to create as many terms as possible. So you could have more than one term. You could have 2, 3, 4, as many terms as possible. You know that in our institution and other schools, they call them semesters. So you may call your own first semester, second semester, third semester, as you like it. Thank you very much. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add grades. You know, when you write examination and students have separate marks, you have distinctions, you have credit, you have group of marks, and then you have grades. So I'm going to be showing you how to add grades in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.